Hello guys, my name is Tejas Ramesh Navale. Today is 12th November 2022. Today's my Viva topic is the difference between constructor and method. So first is the constructor. Constructor is the responsible for the initializing object, although they also not produce any return types. Constructor is the special member function in a class. Some the people believe that the name of the constructor to be the same as the name of the class. It is the possible to overload the constructor, but there is the no way bypass. Additionally, it must be the abstract or actual. There are the three different kind of the constructor used in Java. So first is non-argument constructor, next is parameterized constructor, and third is default constructor. So I can tell you no argument constructor. It has been the that Java constructor might have the parameterized. It could not be any argument at all. Methods it's called the no argument constructor. So next is the parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor Java can take or more argument refer by their formal name. Java parameterized constructor has the constructor with parameters. Next is the default constructor. When no one create a constructor in the Java compiler provides default the constructor. So next is the what is mean by method. So difference in the methods. Method can carry out of the limited set of the responsibility and duties. In these methods cannot have the same name as class of the constructor. Additionally, methods process the return types. It commonly believed that the method consistency be explicit. The constructor of the Java compile does not give the default method. If the method have not been the constructor if and both their inheritance and their ability to overriding are the characteristic of the non-static method. And method is the any object method that are not the static class. Reference for the method are statics. This is the methods cannot have some name and as the class of the constructor, and it is the commonly believed the method to the consistency to be explicit, and the method is the carry out limit set the responsibility the duties is called the method. So thank you.